Hello everyone, welcome to the Stock Martin channel. I have another great video for you today. I did just want to give you an update on the latest news on the EV market. Rivian RIVN is now trading on the stock market. It did have its initial public offering to retail investors, and this stock has taken off over 53%. We are going to be talking about this, its new valuation, and where it can go from here. Also, I did want to touch up on Lucid Motors and the latest EV news out there. Before we get started into this, please, if you can give me that thumbs up, the like button, I'd greatly appreciate it. If you are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. We would love to welcome you to the community, as we have a great community that we talk about stocks, a lot of positivity. We'd love to have you here. Hit that notification bell, hit all so you can get all my videos out there. But I did just want to start off by talking to you about Rivian, RIVN. It did start trading on the NASDAQ for retail investors today at the price of $78. But before the market could really take off and people could get in, it skyrocketed. It went all the way up to $119 and change. It went up by 53% just in the matter of a couple of hours. This stock is just blowing through the roof. I am going to wait until it does cool off. We did see a little bit of a sell-off after it hit that $119. It did go below $100, and now it is kind of hovering around that $100 mark. So again, still it is quite volatile. I do think that it has a huge valuation now of about $100 billion. Now, this is a brand new EV startup company out there. I know that it is backed by a lot of huge companies out there. Amazon has about 20% shares in it. Today, Amazon did announce that it did buy some more of the RIVN Rivian stock. Now, they didn't put what price they got it at, because yesterday I have been mentioning that corporations did get a chance to buy the stocks a lot earlier than retail investors, and they did get a lot better, price for this. So retail investors right now are able to buy this stock, but the stock is very high in my opinion. It has really gone up. Now, when we do compare it to other EV companies out there, let me just kind of move here so the sun doesn't hit me in the eyes. But whenever we do compare it to, for example, Lucid Motors out there, Lucid still has, quite a bit of movement. Lucid Motors, the stock did go down today by 8%. In my opinion, I do think that a lot of investors are taking profits and then they're jumping into Rivian RIVN. Now, we do definitely have that sell-off. I do think that this is a cool-off period. Lucid Motors stock LCID is trading right above that $40 mark right now. I do suspect that we will definitely see some more cool-off as more people are getting into RIVN. But to be honest with you, the long term, what I am looking for, both of these companies are going to do very good in the long term, as they do have a big demand for the vehicle, for both Lucid Air Dream and the Rivian R1T and the R1S, the pickup truck and the SUV. So both of these are at a very interesting point in history right now in EVs. But again, I do think that right now Rivian, for me, is a little bit higher on the price target. It is valued more than Ford Motor Company. It is valued more than General Motors. And, they are just now starting off. But they do have a lot of backing. They do have a lot of demand for their vehicle, because you have to see that Amazon is pre-ordering 100,000 of their electric delivery vans. They will be delivering soon. By the end of this year, they do have a plan of having some revenue out there. They are going to be generating quite a bit of money, and they did raise quite a bit of money just today alone with its initial public offering. So, we'll definitely have to keep you updated, but I did just want to share this news with you, as Rivian is now officially the king of the IPOs. This is the largest in, the IPO, the initial public offering of any company out there since Facebook, which happened in the year 2014. So this is a very big opening for any stock out there. I do think that, this in the future will actually help Lucid Motors, in my opinion, because Lucid Motors does not have that big valuation yet, but it is going to be making a lot of revenue. Its profit margins on each vehicle are a lot higher than that of Rivian. So for example, what that means is that Lucid Motors needs and will be able to sell less amount of cars because they will make more money per car that is sold than, for example, Rivian. Rivian will have to mass produce a lot more cars because it has a lower margin of profit, but it is expanding its factories. It is currently making, Rivian is currently making both the truck and the SUV in Illinois. They are also looking to make another factory in Texas. So we'll definitely see, because this is going to be a monster of a company, and you definitely see that there is a lot of hype. There's a lot of excitement behind this. So you'll know, we'll see what this is, but this is huge. But I just did want to give you this update. I hope you liked this video. Please give me that thumbs up if you have. If you learned something new, I'd greatly appreciate it. It'll keep me alive on YouTube. I did also want to let you know that I have received feedback and information from my Moomoo representative. I have partnered up with Moomoo to help you to get free stocks out there. If you open an account with Moomoo, you will get a free share of stock valued up to $350 just for opening an account. If you deposit any amount of money, so if you deposit $1, you will get an additional stock for free, also valued up to, I believe, $3,000. And in addition to this, if you put even more money in, up to $2,000, you get a free 3 additional stocks. So that's 5 total stocks, valued up to $3,500 just for putting in a little bit of money. So please take advantage of that. The link is down below. Also, I did want to mention, I do have one of my links to Webull, Robinhood, and Coinbase if you do need to get some free stocks or free cryptocurrency. And again, thank you so much for watching this video, for sharing this video with others, for supporting it. Please continue to share this with your family, friends, coworkers, that next door neighbor. I'd greatly appreciate it. And I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. But go out there, make some money, and have a great day. We'll talk to you later. Bye.